Barnes had a Pelican coming up from behind, and the fans alerted him to that, and now a foul is on Buddy Hield. Cousins screaming at Ed Malloy that there should be a technical called. I think they're going to review this. They're going to review it, and there is a timeout. 2:55 left, and here's another look. Oh, for sure. That's. Are you kidding me or what? Come on.
That should be a technical.
It will be. All right, we'll be right back. Watch what just happened. This is the definition of an unnatural act. It's what the league was looking for this year, and I mean.
Yeah, I'd like to believe that that's not unnatural. There aren't any.
Wow, I mean, that's definitely going to be a technical.
A decision pretty soon.
Yeah, I would hope so. All right, here we go.
Here's what we got. We're going to upgrade after a flagrant foul penalty too. Hield's gone. Cousins is shooting too. They're getting the ball on the side. Okay. I got to tell these guys though.
Flagrant one, unnecessary contact committed by a player against an opponent. Wow, a flagrant foul penalty 2.
I think that's exactly right. You know, when you.
So he's ejected from the game.
I think it's exactly right. If you look at what a flagrant 2 is.
Yeah, no question.
And the definition and what he did.
If that's not a flagrant 2, then what is? You know?
Right here. Yeah, that's a flagrant 2. That's all you can say, in my mind.
Well, goodbye, Buddy Hield. We'll see you in the next game. He has been ejected. And Cousins makes the technical. Alvin Gentry already has one technical, and he may be joining Buddy Hield here in the next couple of moments.
I don't think Alvin saw the play.